Okay, it's 8 a.m. on May 2nd, 2018, and we're out here watching what they're working on. They are hauling away a giant pile of dirt that they scooped out of Dolph Park here yesterday, and they're building a rain garden to suck up all the stormwater that comes from this neighborhood behind us and the one that's attached to Lakewood Schools behind that. They've been running trucks for about an hour. They'll be here for probably a few weeks, digging and installing the new rain garden bed. In other news, we're opening the pool in about an hour. That's it for now.